In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset Windows 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and it's basically the same on Windows 10 or 11. So all you want to go ahead and do is right-click your Windows icon and go to your settings. Then once you're here, all you want to go ahead and do, you're going to see a lot of different things here, but you want to go over to the Update and Security tab, or just go over to Privacy and Security right here. Now you're going to see a lot of different things here, but you want to look for factory reset. And if you can't find it, then what we're going to do is go to search on the bottom, and then I'm just going to type in reset right here. Or if I type in factory, it's going to say reset this PC. Now go ahead and click on it. Then you're going to see reset this PC right here, which is now within system. But in your case on Windows 10, it might be, in the update and security tab. Go ahead and click reset this PC. Then you have a choice of keeping files or removing everything. So if you want to do a complete factory reset as good as new, press remove everything, and then you can choose where you want your Windows to be reinstalled from, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.